This is Bill North of the Florida Weekend Warriors, and we have traded in our Imagine for this brand new Newmar. We've got a nice Jeep. It's an inaugural trip. We're going to Disney World. Going to stay at Fort Wilderness. In this video, we'll tell you why we got a Newmar and show you the inside and tell you all about it. See ya.
We're off on our maiden voyage.
We haven't crashed yet.
We're only on our right outside of our street though.
Already backing up traffic, so I'm doing good.
Whole different perspective.
Not again. Well, we made it to our site here in Fort Wilderness. It's beautiful December weather. We had no issues getting here. This is a gorgeous site. It is number 713. It's really a deep site. There's privacy. There's no one behind us. Got our stuff decorated for Christmas. And in the very back is a spot to even have a fire. We had a fire the other day. See back in this area here. There's our fire pit. This is an official Disney approved fire pit with a roof and a screen on it. You can see we had our fire over there at night. It was gorgeous. Here's the rest of the site. It's a premium site. So here's the new Newmar. So we traded in our old Imagine trailer at General RV. We got a really good price. A not so good trade-in, but our trade-in is really a good trade-in. And we think one of the employees bought it because they never put it on the website at all. So we think one of the employees got it because there was one of the techs, he was there looking at it pretty good. So let's check out the inside. We're in the inside of the RV. It's a Newmar Bay Star 3014. So I'll give you a quick little tour, show you what it looks like. We have a loft bed up here. We have some nice theater seats. Dinette that folds down into a bed. We have a TV. It's on a swivel, so we can swivel out so it's easier to see from the theater seats while you're watching TV. We got nice kitchen. Kind of limited on counter space, which is one of the things we don't like about the RV, but so far we've been managing it. We have a nice gas or propane stove, really nice convection microwave. We have a residential fridge with an ice maker. It's a huge plus. And here's the bedroom. Got a queen size bed that flips up. There's plenty of storage under there. We've got a nice TV over here and a bunch of storage in here and a bunch of storage down there on the floor. We have a pantry here. I'll show you the bathroom. We got a shower. And here's the touch panel. So that's all digitally electronic. It's not Bluetooth, so it doesn't connect to your phone. So I'm sure that's coming later. But so far, we've been happy with it. We've only done a few upgrades. They're very minor. Up here, there was a bunch of safety stickers. We took all those off. We added a couple of command hooks. So when you come in with like wet jackets and stuff, you know, there's a rubber floor here. And we added a thing to put our keys on. And over in this corner, there was a bunch of huge JBL stickers. We pulled all those off. There were some more safety stickers back by the kitchen. We pulled those off because they were pretty ugly. And that's really about it. Oh, in the shower, we added this thing here with the shampoo and stuff. We'll probably change out the shower head because there's no button to turn off the water pressure as you're taking a shower. And the pressure's not that high. So I think those oxygenics will do much better. One small complaint we have is they put the the toilet paper holder on the wrong door. Even if you go on their website, you'll see a tour of the RV and they'll show it on that door instead. Another small upgrade we did is I put a little piece of plexiglass on some command strips and attached my Garmin GPS to it so I can have the backup camera on the Jeep and my GPS going at the same time so I can see everything. So why do we pick Newmar? We looked at a lot of RVs and we only wanted to be around 30 to 31 feet for state parks and national parks. And most of the ones that we found were just not very nice. They really looked like just travel trailers on the inside. Tiffin makes some nice ones, but the smallest one they have is 33 feet. And it's got only one floor plan and it has a huge slide on the camping side, which we don't like. So Newmar's got a really good selection. They have a really good reputation. And it's very nice for a gas-powered RV. So we've been pleased so far. It's got the big tires and the big chassis, and it rides pretty good. I do need to put that safety plus on the steering so I don't have to steer back and forth so much. But so far, we're really happy with the RV. The only downstroke is the price. The MSRPs are crazy. I mean, we didn't pay anything near the MSRP because it was a leftover 2024. But, I mean, these prices have gotten sky high on everything. And we're here in Disney World, and the prices in Disney have gotten sky high too. So we just made reservations for next year at Disney, and it's $255 a night. And this isn't during the week of Christmas. This is before Christmas, but it's still decorated pretty nice. So it's really kind of worth it. So here's some videos of some of the stuff we saw while we were here at Disney. Okay, gotta take the dog poop sign out, but we have turkeys. I can't believe this guy had enough extension cords to plug all them things in.
And they're all along the road too.
Yeah, it goes all the way around the corner. Here's the back side of that one that goes all the way around the corner. More stores on that stuff. This guy's got a little too much time on his hands. What do you think?
It's beautiful though.
Pretty looking. Pretty. Uh-oh. Got people coming. It's amazing how different all these displays look at night versus the daytime. So all during the day and all during the night, everyone's riding around their golf carts looking at all the holiday decorations. This keeps going and going. We even put up some of our own decorations, but nothing like this. Rudolph is driving a bass boat. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.